Show me. Okay, show me how you do it. How do you throw that? You take a deep breath.
Like this. So you have to do a bending when you're doing, and take a deep breath. When you're flowing like this way, actually go back. When you're go up and down. When you try to go up into the airplane, you have to catch it up so it can fall over to the bike.
Nice.